Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best canopy chair is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your bedroom, offering a unique blend of comfort, privacy, and aesthetic appeal that can transform your personal sanctuary into a cozy retreat. Imagine sinking into a plush seat enveloped by flowing fabric, creating a dreamy nook perfect for reading, relaxing, or simply escaping the everyday hustle and bustle, all while adding a touch of whimsical elegance to your decor. Number 5. Sport-Brella SPF 50 Plus Sun and Rain Umbrella. Introducing the Sport-Brella, your perfect companion for any outdoor activity. It offers maximum protection from both the sun and rain, ensuring you stay comfortable no matter the weather. Setting up is a breeze with its convenient one-touch design. You can deploy it quickly and easily, so you can focus on enjoying your time outdoors. With a maximum diameter of 137 centimeters, it provides ample shade for you and your gear. This generous size ensures you're well covered during your outdoor adventures. Featuring SPF 50 Plus and excellent UV cut, it effectively blocks harmful ultraviolet rays. Protect your skin from sun damage and enjoy your day with peace of mind. Ideal for a variety of outdoor pursuits, including golf and general leisure. Take it to the beach, park, or any event where you need reliable sun and rain protection. This is a genuine Japanese import, ensuring you receive a high-quality product. Experience the reliability and performance that comes with an authentic Sport-Brella. What we like. This product offers unparalleled convenience with its one-touch setup, making it perfect for spontaneous outdoor relaxation. Its superior sun and rain protection, coupled with high UV defense, ensures you're covered in various weather conditions. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to enjoy shade and protection during outdoor activities like picnics or beach days, this is your go-to option. What people say. This umbrella is amazeballs. I mostly use it on my bike trailer. It has a net screen and a waterproof screen, but nothing to block the sun. Clip this on and baby has 360° sun protection. The Versabrella is well made, with a rugged canopy cover that doesn't rip or tear easily. The heavy-duty universal clamp is sturdy and connects securely to various surfaces, whether it's a golf bag, beach chair, or bleacher. With its 4-way, 360° swivel and 2 push-button hinges, you can easily adjust it to any angle to block the sun. This feature comes in handy, especially when the sun shifts throughout the day. Number 4. NICESOUL Outdoor Indoor Swing Egg Chair. Introducing a stylish and comfortable seating solution designed for both your indoor and outdoor spaces. Enjoy ultimate relaxation wherever you choose to place it. Crafted with a robust iron structure and wrapped in durable polyethylene rattan, this chair is built for longevity. Its weather-resistant design ensures it can withstand the elements. Designed for your convenience, this chair features an all-in-one cushion and a detachable stand. Easily move it from your patio to your living room or any space you desire. Sink into plush, high-density cushions filled with soft cotton. These comfortable pads are secured with ties and are simple to clean, ensuring lasting comfort. Perfect for any setting, from your backyard deck to your cozy bedroom. Add a touch of comfort and modern style to your porch, garden, or poolside. Setting up is a breeze with the included tools and accessories. Plus, its innovative folding basket design makes storage compact and simple when not in use. The high-density yarns used in its construction resist fading and spills, even in harsh sunlight. Enjoy long-lasting beauty and comfort season after season. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort and durability with its sturdy rattan construction and weather-resistant design. The foldable basket and easy assembly make it incredibly portable and convenient for storage. If you desire a stylish and comfortable seating option that can be easily moved between your bedroom, patio, or balcony, this is an excellent choice for adding a touch of modern flair and relaxation. What people say. The assembly process was a breeze. The chair arrived with clear instructions and all the necessary tools included. It took me no more than 30 minutes to put it together, even without any prior experience. The spacious seating area provides ample room to relax and unwind. The plush cushions offer excellent support and is incredibly comfortable, making it a perfect spot to curl up with a good book or enjoy a cup of coffee. The chair is constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring its longevity. The steel frame is robust and durable, capable of withstanding various weather conditions. Number 3. SONGMICS Boho Hanging Chair UGDC 042M01. Experience unparalleled comfort with this hanging chair. Its large, thick cushion envelopes you, melting away stress and fatigue. Rest assured with its robust metal frame and reinforced seat, capable of supporting up to 264 pounds. Enjoy reliable comfort for years to come. Customize your relaxation spot. Whether you prefer a spreader bar, ceiling mount, or frame, this versatile piece adapts to your space and needs. Included are a steel chain and carabiner for quick setup. Additional accessories may be needed for specific hanging styles, so please prepare them accordingly. Elevate your decor with its elegant cream white color and charming tassels. This piece adds a touch of boho style to any room. Perfect for any setting, use it as a cozy seat in the living room, a reading nook in the bedroom, or a tranquil spot on the balcony or in the garden. What we like. Indulge in all-around comfort with its large, thick cushion that envelopes you in softness. Its strong and durable construction ensures lasting enjoyment, while the boho chic design adds a stylish touch to any space. If you're seeking a cozy reading nook in your bedroom, a serene meditation spot on your balcony, or simply a comfortable accent piece for your living room, this hanging chair offers both style and sublime comfort. What people say. The chair feels sturdy once installed and looks great in the room. It adds a cozy, laid-back vibe without taking up much floor space. The swing is really well made. We're very happy with the sturdiness of the swing. It easily held 200 pounds. Great color and the tassels are really cute. This swing is so comfortable and is very easy to install. It has truly added a whimsical vibe to my space. Number 2. MAXYOYO Folding Sofa Bed, Pink. Introducing the MAXYOYO Folding Sofa Bed, a versatile piece designed to adapt to your needs. Effortlessly switch between a sofa, 2 floor cushions, or an unfolding bed. Experience superior comfort with its high-density foam filling. It provides excellent support and maintains its shape, ensuring a cozy feel every time. Crafted with a soft, breathable corded fabric and a stylish tufted design, this piece adds a warm and elegant touch to any room. Whether it's for family gatherings, personal relaxation, or game nights, its multifunctional design easily fits into your living room, bedroom, or game room. Simply unpack and allow 48 hours for it to fully expand. Enjoy a comfortable and adaptable seating solution that enhances your home life. This convertible sofa bed is perfect for various settings. Its flexible configuration makes it ideal for both social gatherings and quiet personal time. What we like. Discover incredible versatility with this 4-in-1 convertible sofa bed, easily transforming from a sofa to floor lounger or bed. Its high-density foam provides superior support and comfort for lounging or sleeping. If you need a flexible furniture solution for your living room or bedroom that can adapt to various needs, from hosting guests to personal relaxation, this multifunctional piece is a perfect fit. What people say. This one has removable covers for easy cleaning and has a solid block of foam, not stuffing or foam pieces. It is firm. Like to where it doesn't flatten to the floor when you lay or sit on it, but still comfortable to sleep on. It's super comfortable and thick, which beats any air mattress. She loves having this comfy seat in her room as well, and I love that it is multifunctional when not needed for traveling. It's firm yet comfortable. I've taken several naps without even opening them. Number 1. Best Choice Products Navy Blue Chaise Lounge Swing. Discover a unique way to relax with this suspended chaise seat. Its cantilever design creates a feeling of weightless comfort, perfect for unwinding. Enjoy shaded bliss on even the sunniest afternoons. The large, removable canopy provides ample shade, keeping you comfortable outdoors. Sink into the ergonomic, foam-filled cushions designed for ultimate relaxation. With a generous weight capacity and a removable headrest, it offers superior comfort and support. This versatile piece adds a functional and stylish touch to any area. It's perfect for your living room, garden, deck, porch, or patio. Crafted with quality materials, including a powder-coated steel frame and water-resistant cushions. It's built to provide a unique shade and seating solution for seasons to come. What we like. Experience a unique, weightless lounging sensation with its suspended chaise seat. The plush comfort, provided by ergonomic cushions and a removable headrest, ensures ultimate relaxation. If you're looking for a statement piece that offers both a distinctive aesthetic and supreme comfort for your garden, patio, or even living room, this chaise lounge swing is an ideal choice for unwinding in style. What people say. It's sturdy and the amount of comfort is ridiculous. I can sit, lounge, bounce, swing all in multiple directions. The base is sturdier than the others. I'm not lightweight and the minimum bearing weight was questionable on many other chairs. I haven't worried about the quality even when swinging. It is very stable and overall it is very solid build. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.